turned to nightmares. I'm not the same since that November. I know that you don't deserve this. My problems, my fight, and your shit, I got them tangled up together. I won't blame you if you walk away, but won't you stay? I got a battle here to fight. Don't know if I'll ever see the light, but won't you stay? I don't need much from you tonight. Just tell me you'll meet me there alive on the other side. On the other side. I was in no ways like this. 16 and naive, a good kid. My mom and dad never saw it coming. But now I'm stuck in the trenches, crawling through my consequences. I guess it's time